Okay. Okay, I think I'm going to give Pitch Black one more game, and then I'm going to move on to some other things. Typically, sometimes it's just not a urethane type day, but I want to give it my best shot. And I want to bowl 200 with it if it's a urethane game or not, because I want a reflection of what I can do with it. So here we go, Pitch Black. Bring out the best in me, okay? And I'll bring out the best in you. Let's go. Come on. Let's bring it in there. All right. That hit pretty good. Hit pretty good. Get back on here, make sure we're still looking the same direction. Yeah, okay. Still looking the same way. All right, Pitch Black. We got one in there. Let's see if we can get another one. All right, that's two. Now that particular one was a little light, and we got that thing popped off the sidewall. They carried it. I don't know if that was a 6-pin or what, but all right, come on, baby, come on. Prove to me that you love me. Oh, yes. How about that one? That one was looking like the baby split and knocked them both silly. Okay. All right, that one was headed Brooklyn, so we'll make sure don't do that again. Okay, that was a much better strike or shot than the last two, and it didn't carry. So, all right. One. My son of a gun! Damn. That's one of those things where you don't follow through. It's just, come on, man. Come on. Come on. It's important that you make those shots. Come on. It's important that you make that. Muscle in the ball. Stop muscling. No muscle. There you go. We'll go over here and say hi to Dan. Hello, Monica. How are you doing?
Good. How are you?
I'm doing just fine. I'm fine. How's my old buddy doing over here?
Huh?
How's my friend over here doing?
He's number one.
He's number one. That's good. Who's number two? You got a number two stuck out there we don't know about? Oh my God. He is number one.
Yeah.
The one and only Danny boy.
How's your holiday?
Wonderful. Very good. Everything's just fine. And you? You have your family come visit with you?
Yeah.
I think I might have saw
I have grandkids and
that's wonderful. Yeah. Well, Dan and I have a good time up here bowling.
Yeah, he
so.
told me all the time.
Yep.
Good time with Mike.
Yep. We may.
Do your wife not play bowling?
She doesn't like it.
She don't like it.
It's too much noise.
Oh, too much noise.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. She says it's what's the point of knocking them down? They put them back up. She said like it's not.
So you live here, Mike?
Yeah, pretty close.
Oh, so you live in Hong Kong?
No, actually, I live in over in off of in Cypress Wood. It's Ella in Louetta. Not too far from over where you. Yeah.
It's about like 30 minutes.
20 minutes, yeah, something like that.
20 minutes.
Depending on how fast you drive.
Yeah, the same us.
Yeah. I live a little further from you guys.
Oh, really?
Yeah. No, about 10 minutes from where you are.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I used to live over there in just over on the next hole over there. I used to live on 15. I think you guys live on 14. Yeah. Yep, been a few years ago though. All right, well I got to get back with it. Oh yeah.
That's work.
Well, so the Indian means power. That's Indian's feather is power and strength.
Special, not about for high for that one. This one, the order more special, right?
Well, special to me. It's cheap, but it's special to me. But, well, a feather is Indian feather. It's stands for power, integrity, and and strength. And the titanium is supposed to keep the energy flowing through my body. Copper fight off the arthritis, and I just like the way that looks.
It all help your bowling. Let me tell you, I think you're bowling good.
Oh, yeah, and all those bowling balls I have bought.
How many?
About 20. It's all right. Cheaper than cars. All right. Here we go now. We pick that spare up, and we got to keep on chunking them right. Over there. Danny boy. Danny boy. All right. Come on. Well, that was pure luck there. Pure luck, incidental contact. Come on, pitch black. Put it to it. Okay. Okie dokie on that one. Good job. Have to get an instant replay on that one, man. That was crazy. Come on, man. Okay, man, that last ball, I don't know. I must have done something wrong. I'll just have to figure it out later. I jerked it down from the top. Okay. Come on, mate. I need to look at my release on these. Okay, let's take a look at the release. Okay. Okay, at least to get to practice a 10 pin. One more time. All right. Okay, looks like a 200 game. Well, a little 200, yeah, barely 200. That's 203, which, you know, it's 203, it's a 203. But the top of the thing was the fact that the 10 pins were converted. And I had a few opportunities in there that I worked on to hit the balls on the right side. I'm working on a new kind of release that's sort of a little backup release that seems to be working. I need to look closely at the video replay to see how I'm doing it. I think I've got the feel of it. I hope I do. It's being successful right now. So we're going to play another game, and why not stick with a new ball? Another game with that pitch black.